everybody, Rhea here, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how to make my vegan breakfast calzones. Okay, y'all, so for the breakfast calzones, you're going to need some flour. I have bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour if you want. You're going to need some water, some active dry yeast, some agave nectar, any seasonings of your choice. I have onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and I have pink salt. Also, I have some black salt. I have just egg, some BioLife cheddar shreds, some grapeseed oil. Y'all know, my day ones know, gotta have my grapeseed oil. And as you can see, I need some more. And the new sweet Italian Beyond sausage, which is actually really good, by the way. So here I'm putting the sausages into a pan, and I'm going to put it in the oven. As you can see, I didn't spray it or anything. You're just going to bake them until they're brown on one side, and then you turn them over and brown it on another side. So here I'm taking a half a teaspoon of black salt, and I'm putting it in each bottle of Just Egg. And you want to make sure you shake it really, really well. Otherwise, when you pour it in the pan, it's going to get a clump like you're about to see in a minute. But you can always, you know, take your spatula and stir it up like I did in the video. So I don't know if you saw it, but there was a clump that landed in there, and because my pan is so small, I did it in batches. So now I'm getting ready to add the seasons that I picked out. So I'm doing the pepper, some powdered onions, and also the powdered garlic. And the garlic, I meant to get granulated because I hate the way it comes out when it's powdered. Y'all see that? Just aggravating. So you're going to stir that up, and you just scramble it. I mean, it's not rocket science. You don't need a manual to scramble just egg. Just pour and scramble. There you go. It's starting to cook. And when you let it brown just a little bit, it's like, oh my God. So that's the first batch. You won't see me cook the second batch. So what I'm doing, after that, I'm gonna start with my dough after that. Okay, so in there I have a cup of water plus 2 tablespoons of water, agave nectar in the yeast packet. In there I'm adding an extra cup of water, and then later on, you won't see me add it, but I ended up adding another half a cup of water to this mixture. And you just want to mix it until the dough is kind of smooth. I forgot to add my salt, so that's what you see me putting it in there. So once you see me rolling the dough out, if you see little pink spots, it's just the salt. So now my dough is ready to be kneaded just a tad, only a tad, and then you want to oil it, and then I'm gonna cover it up so it can rest for about an hour. You want it to proof but you don't want the heat to be so high that it kills the yeast. Okay, so now that my dough has proofed for about an hour, I'm floured my surface, as you can see, and you're just gonna flatten it out, and then I cut pieces. I don't have a scale. Well, I have a scale. I just can't find a damn thing. I'm still unpacking, y'all. So here I'm cutting it. So they're not gonna all be even, but it's gonna be good enough. I won't be using this whole thing for calzones. The calzone, the filling is actually gonna make 9 calzones. So here I'm just rolling them up into a ball, and then you just, you set them aside, and you'll see me make 2 calzones. You want to roll the dough out as flat as you can possibly get it, or as thin as you would like it. You don't have to have a thin crust. You can leave it a little bit thick if you want. I just like mine's a little thin. And once you finish rolling it out, you're going to put your filling in the middle. See, you don't want to stuff it, like, you don't want it to be too full, because you want to have room to cover it up and pinch the ends. You're going to pinch and fold. I'm going to top it with the Violife cheese shreds. This is the reason why I did too, because the way it's angled, you can't really see it like that. But I am going to pinch and fold. If y'all hear a sound in this, like a that's just my air conditioner, y'all. So it's hot. Okay, so here's the second one. You're gonna see me pinch and fold, and this time it's at a pretty good angle. So I'm going to top this off with cheese too. And remember, do not overstuff, or it's not going to close properly and it's going to tear all the pieces. So there you go. See how you pinch the edges? And then as you fold it, you want to pinch and fold. And there you go. Set it on top of the cookie sheet. And that's that. I'm going to do the rest of them. And here they are. Only 8 of them could fit on the pan. So I had to cook the last one separate. What you see me doing here is poking a hole at the top. Now, I did learn this when I worked at an Italian restaurant a few years ago. You want the air, you want steam to be able to come out so it don't puff up. And this mixture is something I learned off of Mary's Test Kitchen. I'm gonna put the link to her channel in the description box. That is a mixture of agave nectar and water, and that is like the substitute for the egg, and it's gonna help the crust get brown. But I don't like mine's too brown, so these gonna be a little light. But you want to cook until the bread is done. And these came out so good. They were so delicious. Now, you will see, what look like it'll be a little black on the spots that landed, you know, where the agave landed on the pan because of the sugar in it. Well, it's not sugar. Well, y'all know, it's natural sweetener. And here we are. These are the calzones. They are all done. They are so delicious. I want y'all to try this recipe. If you try it, let me know what you think about it. And if you put pictures up, look at that. Oh my goodness. If you put pictures up, please tag me in them. I want to see your product. I want to see what you came up with. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. I love y'all to the moon and back. Peace out until the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me on all my social media. You can also go like and follow my Facebook page, The Vegan Homeschooler. Be sure to join my group, The Vegan Homeschooler, Journey to Good Health. There, we focus on mental health as well as physical health. If you're new to my channel and would like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all so much for your support. I love y'all to the moon and back. Have a blessed day. Peace.